Hello everyone, and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to write a French teacher job application letter. I'll explain what this type of letter is, what each paragraph should include, why each part is important, and I'll share practical tips to help you write your own letter with confidence, so you know exactly how your letter should sound. Let's start with the basics. A French teacher job application letter is a formal letter written by someone applying to teach the French language at a school. This letter introduces your educational background, teaching experience, and passion for teaching French language and culture. It shows the school how you teach speaking, listening, reading, and writing, and how you help students feel confident learning a foreign language. This letter usually accompanies your resume and certifications and plays a key role in getting you invited for an interview. Now, let's go through the letter step by step. We begin with the sender's contact information. This section includes your full name, home address, professional email address, and phone number. This information allows the school to contact you easily and makes your letter look complete and professional. In this letter, the sender's details are written as Emily R. Laurent, 6249 Willow Bend Drive, Madison, WI 53719. Email, emily.laurent@email.com. Phone, 608-77-14926. When writing your own letter, always use an email address that looks professional and double-check your phone number for accuracy. Next is the date. The date shows when the letter was written and helps schools organize and track applications. In this example, the date is written as Date, March 19th, 2026. Always write the full date and avoid abbreviations. After that, we include the receiver's information. This part tells the reader who the letter is addressed to and which school is receiving it. It also shows respect and attention to detail. In this letter, the receiver's details are Hiring Committee, Riverside Secondary School, 4100 Mineral Point Road, Madison, Wisconsin 53705. Addressing the correct school and committee is very important. Next comes the subject line. The subject line clearly states the purpose of your letter, so the hiring committee immediately knows why you are writing. In this letter, the subject line is Subject, Application for French Teacher Position. Keep your subject line simple, clear, and specific. Now, let's move to the salutation, which you should never skip. The salutation is your formal greeting. When you are writing to a group, Dear Hiring Committee is professional and appropriate. This greeting sets a respectful and professional tone for the letter. Now we move into the first body paragraph, which is your introduction. In this paragraph, you clearly state the position you are applying for, mention your degree, and briefly describe your teaching experience and passion for the subject. Why this paragraph is important is because it creates the first impression and immediately shows that you are qualified. Tips for this paragraph: mention your education, specify the position, and highlight your enthusiasm for teaching French. Here is the first paragraph from the letter. I am writing to apply for the French teacher position at Riverside Secondary School. I hold a bachelor's degree in French education and have experience teaching French language and culture to middle and high school students. I am passionate about helping students develop strong communication skills while gaining an appreciation for French-speaking cultures. This paragraph clearly introduces the applicant and explains both qualifications and motivation. Next is the second body paragraph, which focuses on how you teach. In this paragraph, you describe your teaching methods, classroom activities, and how you support different learning styles. Why this paragraph is important is because schools want to know how you deliver lessons and keep students engaged, especially in language learning. Tips for this paragraph: mention the 4 language skills, classroom activities, cultural learning, and adaptability. Here is the second paragraph from the letter. In my current teaching role, I plan engaging lessons that focus on speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills. I incorporate interactive activities, cultural content, and technology to support student learning while maintaining a positive and structured classroom environment. I am committed to adapting my teaching methods to meet diverse learning needs and encourage student confidence in using a foreign language. This paragraph shows that the teacher is creative, flexible, and student-focused. Now let's look at the third body paragraph, where you explain why you want to work at this specific school and highlight your personal qualities. In this paragraph, you connect your teaching values with the school's mission. Why this paragraph is important is because schools want teachers who genuinely want to be part of their community, not just any school. Tips for this paragraph: mention the school's strengths, show enthusiasm, and describe your professional traits. Here is the third paragraph from the letter. I am particularly drawn to Riverside Secondary School because of its emphasis on global education and academic excellence. I am organized, patient, and dedicated to supporting students as they progress in their language studies. This paragraph shows alignment between the teacher and the school. Now we move to the closing paragraph, which is also very important. In this paragraph, you politely express interest in discussing your application further and reinforce your enthusiasm for the role. Why this paragraph is important is because it leaves a strong and positive final impression. Tips for this paragraph: be polite, confident, and appreciative. Here is the closing paragraph from the letter. I would welcome the opportunity to further discuss how my qualifications and enthusiasm for language instruction can contribute to your school community. This ending is professional and confident without sounding demanding. After that, we finish with the formal closing and signature. The closing word is usually sincerely, followed by your signature and typed name. In this letter, it is written as sincerely, signature, Emily R. Laurent. This formally completes the letter. Before we end, here are some overall tips and reminders for writing a French teacher job application letter. Always keep your language clear, professional, and positive. Highlight both your language skills and your ability to teach culture, not just vocabulary and grammar. Show enthusiasm for global learning and student growth. Customize your letter for each school, proofread carefully, and make sure your teaching philosophy matches what the school values. Confidence, clarity, and passion for language learning will always make your letter stand out. And that's how you write a French teacher job application letter, step by step. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment with your questions, and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more clear and easy writing guides. Thank you for watching Writing Tutorials. See you on the next video!